You are going to love the 2023 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, daytime running lamps, inside you'll find steering wheel controls, remote start, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats, console. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.